Today's video is about what Romans eat for Christmas. I compiled a very basic list. Like always, there is much more.
Alright, first things first. Prosecco. It all starts on Christmas Eve, when most Romans will probably have seafood on the menu. A lot of it. To start it up, I fritti. The fried stuff. Usually fried veggies and or shrimps, calamari, baccalà, or other seafood. Next, il brodo d'arzilla, the sea ray soup that comes with broccoli and the usual suspects. To make it more substantial, you can add some pasta to it. And yes, because this dish is eaten with spoon, you're allowed to do the unthinkable. This. Following that, gli spaghetti alle vongole, spaghetti with clams. And that brings us to the main course, which might be a Rombo or a Spigola, a fish from a halibut or sea bass family, obviously with a baked potato or two. Desserts? Coming up later in the video. For Christmas, you want to go light and prepare your stomach for what's to follow. You do that with tortellini in a cockeril soup. From there, it gets serious. One of the options is fettuccine al ragù. For this item, I skipped the supermarket stuff and got myself some proper homemade fettuccine. Remember the cockeril. He also gets stuffed and baked. Or you opt for another Christmas classic, the lamb, fried or baked, perhaps accompanied with some artichokes. Why not? You full yet? Because that brings us to the desserts. Pandoro and panettone above all. And boy, are they options here. You can have them stuffed with all sorts of creams and chocolate spreads, but I prefer my panettone the old school, il panettone classico. Go lightly with that panettone though, because all sorts of torroni hit the table too. You can have your torrone white or with chocolate. For me, chocolate is always chocolate. Hopefully your dinner table is nice and sturdy, because it will need to handle the load of panforte e panpevato too. All this sweet stuff comes from all over Italy, but I was looking for the one typical of Lazio, pangiallo, and recently that one's been rather difficult to find. But I found it, in a local farmer's market of all places. It's thought that pangiallo dates no less than from the times of the imperial Rome. Well, 2,000 years is a long time to perfect the recipe, and perfect it they did. Oh, and did I mention all sorts of chocolates, candy, dried fruits, nuts, and mandarins?